guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first, why did I just do that with my arms? Today I'm going to be doing my first, no. Today I'm going to be doing my first monthly. Okay, what is wrong with me today? Today I'm going to be doing my first monthly favorites with you guys. So this is going to be my April favorites video. I kind of conjured up a few things that I've been using like religiously. Maybe not like the whole month, but definitely the past couple weeks for the majority of the month anyway. And a couple of them I've been using, you've already seen them like a couple times before because I just use them that much and you've seen them in other videos. I figured I'd start doing like a monthly thing because I don't know, as I've been filming videos and stuff and doing my makeup like almost every day because I used to not really. I used to slack a lot, let's just say. Like last year in college, I barely ever did my makeup and I feel like now that I'm a commuter, it just is easier to get ready in the morning. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to start doing monthly favorites every month, obviously monthly, and giving you the scoop on the latest products that I've been using and what I've been really liking. A lot of it is hair care, most of it's hair care, I guess, actually. Some makeup and like one skincare product in there, so if you are interested in seeing my April favorites, then just keep watching and let's get started. So I'm going to get all the hair products out of the way first, and then I'll probably go into the couple makeup products that I have for you guys. So the first one is going to be this Fanola No Yellow shampoo. People have been raving about this so much. I first saw it, I believe, I don't remember what her name is, but I watched some girl on YouTube. I feel like that's so rude. Sorry, I don't know the girl's name, I don't remember. And she used this stuff, and she has like really blonde hair, and it, like, her hair was very like blonde looking. Mine is not really looking that vibrant right now. I am actually gonna try and tone it soon with my friend who's a hairdresser. Not my normal hairdresser that I usually go to just because I don't have the time just to get in another appointment right now. I just feel like I want it lifted like a more blonde. I've used this the last 2 washes and I can definitely see a difference, but I just feel like I need like that chemical toner to get more of it. But if you're looking for a really, really strong purple shampoo, this is your guy. If you're going to buy it, do not go to Salon, guys, because this 1000 milliliter bottle is $60 on Salon, guys, and I got this on Amazon for $17. So if you want to be smart with your money, go to Amazon. But yeah, I used it. It's definitely wear gloves like the recommendations say because it will dye your hands purple. I cut it with some regular shampoo just because it's really, really strong. And I leave it on probably about 5 minutes. I put it on, shave both my legs, and then I rinse it out and then put conditioner in. I did not get the mask because a lot of the reviews on Amazon said that it was more of a purple than a blue. No, I got that backwards. It was more of a blue than a purple, and it just didn't really have as much effectiveness as the shampoo did, so I just got the shampoo, and I'm really loving it so far. Next up, we have these 2 products from the brand called Sexy Hair. This one is the Vibrant Sexy Hair Rose Elixir with rose and almond oil. It is a hair and body dry oil mist. My hairdresser used this on my hair in the salon, and I like immediately smelled it when she sprayed it, and I was like, oh my god, what is that? I have to have some of it. And she showed it to me. It smells really, really nice, and I love dry oil sprays because they're just so like effortless. You don't really have to do much with it. I love doing serums in my hair because it's like you can really rub it in and get into it. But if you're in a hurry or you're just lazy and don't want to like get the oil off your hands, rub it into your hair and everything, you can just spray it on with this. I just spray it on. What I do is I do each side of my head, spray like the underneath part of my hair, run my fingers through it, put my arm underneath, bring it out, spray the outside, and then I do the same thing with the other side. So yeah, this is my like favorite hair product right now, like for in between washes hair care. Love it. Oh, and if you want to get it cheap, I don't know if they still have it, but I got this at TJ Maxx. I was like 5 seconds away from buying it in the JCPenney salon where I get my hair done, but I just decided like I already got a bunch of stuff, so I'll like wait on this. But then I went to TJ Maxx and I found this for $8, so I'm so glad that I waited. Then the next product is the Healthy Sexy Hair So You Want It All 22-in-1 leave-in treatment with soy, cocoa, and argan oil. This stuff smells really good and it's been making my hair really soft. When I use it in conjunction with this one, I really like it. Yeah, this is just a leave-in treatment for when your hair is wet, so every time I wash it, I'll do my normal other sprays, and then I will go in with this bad boy. Next, I have the Aussie dry shampoos that I mentioned in my recent video. It's the Aussie Clean Texture and Volume dry shampoos. These are amazing, and they work really, really well together. I use them as both like for styling purposes and for oil absorption. They spray clear to a certain extent. I noticed when I use them for styling purposes and I kind of sprayed a lot on my ends, if I used a lot, so like an excess amount, it would kind of have a white cast, so just be mindful of that. They're really good for oil absorption, and they're really, really good for styling. The volume, I feel like the volume and texture like have the same purpose. I feel like they both are really good, but I don't really see a difference between them. I just got both of them because they were buy one, get one half off at CVS, so. There's those. That is it for hair care. Let's do my makeup scents. I only really have one skincare thing. This one, you guys have seen it like 4 times already. It is the Tarte BB Tinted Treatment Primer. 12-hour primer, healthy treatment, buildable coverage, oil-free moisturizer, pore minimizer, and skin brightener. I am wearing it. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. I'm in a group chat with my family, and one of my family members recently just had surgery, so I'm kind of keep getting updates on that, and I don't really want to mute it because I want to read them. But yeah, so back to this. I have it on right now. It's literally been my everyday makeup routine. And I kind of been wanting to film a new everyday makeup routine, but I feel like I should wait like 6 months in between filming those because like, I don't know. I change my makeup routine a lot. Like if I find something new that really works for me, it doesn't matter how long I've been doing my old one, I'll switch. But yeah, so this has been like my everyday staple item. I'll be buying this until I find something that tops it. It goes on so fast, it blends out really easily, and it's just like the perfect amount of coverage that I'm looking for an everyday. Next, I have the Becca primer that you've seen before too. So you probably already know how I feel about this, but I'm actually wearing this today too. If you can tell, my skin is just glowing. I really, really have been loving this. It doesn't feel heavy on your skin. It's not too much of a dewy look because I don't really like that, but it is the perfect like youthful glow. It just adds like that, adds the glow to your skin. And it smells really good. I also like the lavender one that I used. I actually did prom makeup this past weekend and I used it on that girl and it looked really good on her skin. Still not use it on myself though. Next makeup product is the Milani Instant Touch-Up Blur Stick. I honestly think, like, I don't think it tops it. I don't know. I don't know what I want to say about this. I don't know if I want to say that it tops the Tatcha one, the Tatcha Silk Canvas, but it's right up there with that. Like, I was so wowed when I used this. It does a really good job of blurring stuff out. It doesn't feel heavy. It's like not thick and it's not like silicone-y. It feels smooth on your skin and it just works really well to blur out your pores and like any like other texture problems that you have. I honestly like it just as much as the Tatcha one. So if you're looking for a dupe, I would definitely try this. The texture of it is a little bit different than Tatcha, but the purpose and like the results that you get are a lot similar to Tatcha. Next is the Buxom lip cream that I'm wearing right now. This is actually not a cream, it's more of a gloss. You can either wear it over a lipstick or just wear it alone, which is what I usually do, just because I don't really like to wear lipstick to school. I've kind of explained this in other videos, so I don't really want to get too far into it, but I really like it. I love this color. I got it in the shade Dolly. It's like a mauve, but since it's a lip gloss, it doesn't really show up too pink on your lips. It's not really a sticky lip gloss, which I like because I hate sticky lip glosses, and it's very moisturizing. Like, I really like it. Last makeup product is, I showed you guys this in my Ulta Beauty haul and I've been using it ever since. It is the Ofra Nikkie Tutorials Highlighting Trio. It is so nice, you guys. I already have it like super dirty from using it and keeping it in my bag, but it is so nice. I've been using the middle shade like religiously. It picks a lot up with a brush. Like if you're not looking for a strong highlight, I would use your finger, which is what I did today just because I was going for something simple. And I honestly just did my makeup before this video just to film this video because I didn't wear any today. But I figured I wouldn't look like a troll in every single video. I'm trying to not do that. But yeah, so I have been using the middle shade and it is so beautiful, you guys. It's so strong and it's just like it's there and it looks so nice. It blends out easily. It doesn't accentuate any texture or anything, so loving it. Okay, I think that's it for makeup. I have one last thing that is skincare, but not like face skincare. It is the Bath & Body Works Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Cream. I got it a couple weeks ago with my mom, and honestly, I love anything Bath & Body Works. Like, I feel like a lot of body creams and stuff that I will buy, they just don't top Bath & Body Works. Like, even just regular lotion from Bath & Body Works, I'll put it on my legs at night and I'll wake up the next day and they'll still feel moisturized. And that's just the lotion alone. Like, their body creams are even more intense than that. So I've really been liking this. It has a nice smell to it. It kind of just smells like, I don't know. Nothing like, it's just very neutral scent, if you want to say, like, I don't know, it smells clean, reminds you of water, obviously. It just smells really good. I feel like it like smells like one of their scents that they have, maybe sweet pea. Sweet pea, I feel like it smells like sweet pea. It smells pretty good. So yeah, I've been loving this. I feel like I say that about every product. I've been loving this, I've been loving this. I've been using them, like, these are like my top products that I've been using lately, and I'm doing this because they're all in front of me, but you can't see that, so I just look weird. I look like I'm swimming. Let's stop that. Okay, oh, I do have one more thing that I want to show you guys. It's not really like skincare, hair care, anything related, and you probably don't care about it, but I really, really love it. I got this candle. It's the brand DU Naturals from TJ Maxx. It is the scent Peony and Garden Rose. And let me tell you, this smells so, so good. And it was only $4. I didn't think for it being such a cheap candle that the smell would really be strong, because like I like strong candles. If I'm gonna buy a candle that smells really good to me and I light it, like I want to smell it all throughout my house. So I was kind of worried about that when I got this, but it is not like that. It's a really strong scent, but it's a good scent. Like, it's, I don't want to say the scent itself is strong, it's just like strong enough to fill the room. But the scent is really good. I don't know. I feel like I'm not making any sense, but I hope you understand me. TJ Maxx has been killing it with their candles lately. I bought like 10 in the past month, and they're all really good. So just want to throw that in there. You probably don't care, but it's been a favorite, so I gotta add it. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also, turn on your post notification bell so you can see when I post new videos, because if you know me personally, this is not come as a surprise, but I don't always post on the days that I say that I'm going to in my cover photo. Like I said in my last video, I'm trying to change that to Sundays and Wednesdays, but it's just not letting me change the picture, so I don't know really what to do about it at this point. But yeah, turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified of when I post a new video, just in case it's not on the day that I say it's going to be. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!